What are different forms of energy? Now that we have a good understanding of what energy is, let's look at some forms of energy. Light is a form of energy we can see. Heat is another form of energy that we can feel. Sound is a form of energy we can hear. Just like light, heat, and sound, there are many different forms of energy. Light, heat, sound, chemical, mechanical, electrical, gravitational, elastic, and nuclear energy. These forms of energy can be grouped into two general types of energy for doing work: potential or stored energy, kinetic or working energy. How are they different? Potential energy is stored energy that can be applied later. Kinetic energy is energy that is in motion. Each of these energy forms can be broken down into more specific types of energy. Energy can be converted from one form to another. For example, the food a person eats contains chemical energy, and a person's body stores this energy until he or she uses it as kinetic energy during work or play. The stored chemical energy in coal or natural gas and the kinetic energy of water flowing in rivers can be converted to electrical energy, which in turn can be converted to light and heat. Let's look at different types of potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy includes four subsets of energy. They are: gravitational is energy from a place or position. Elastic is energy from compressed or stretched objects. Chemical is energy stored between the bonds of atoms and molecules. Nuclear equals energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. Electrical equals energy created by the movement of electrons. Thermal, the vibration and movements of atoms within a substance. Radiant equals electromagnetic energy that travels in an up and down motion. Motion, mechanical energy, equals energy used in the movement of an object from one place to another. Sound equals energy that creates waves from vibrations that move side to side. Now that you are aware of energy's prevalence in every aspect of life and its major forms, it is time to introduce the next concept. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It is simply transformed from one form of energy to another. This is the law of conservation of energy. To better expand on this concept, it can be helpful to offer a visual sequence of energy use. For example, plants use sunlight to grow. Once they are fully grown, we eat them. Once you eat those plants, your body turns them into energy. When you play, that energy is turned into heat, carbon dioxide, and a variety of other energy forms that are continuously transformed and used by the earth. This concept can be expanded upon if you have your students consider all of the energy required to generate a single meal. For example, energy is used to plow the fields in which food grows. If that food is grown on a large scale, machines use electricity to plant the seeds. Watering systems consume energy to water and grow those seeds, especially in areas with limited rainfall. If the food in question is a big crop like corn, machines are also needed to harvest, sort, and transport it to a store near you. Once that corn is bought, energy is used in the form of heat to cook it. And only after all of those energy conversions are complete are you able to eat the corn and gain energy from it. In the case of a whole meal, each item, down to the seasonings, needs a multi-step energy conversion process if it is to end up on your plate.